Hey everyone, before we start today's lesson, I want to remind you that you can share your artwork into the Sketch Club on School for a chance to be featured in our upcoming Artist Spotlight. You can start your free 7-day trial by clicking the link in the description below. And now let's get on with today's lesson. What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw Latios from Pokemon. We're going to begin by drawing the head over on the top left side of the page, but in an angle. So let's start with the gap in between the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to curve the eye going up and then out towards the top. Let's line this up over on the right side, slightly higher, curving in the opposite direction, going up towards the top. I'm just going to round out the side of the eye, coming around and then in. And I'm going to bend this down and then in towards the inside of the eye. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. Starting halfway across the top of the eyelid, we're going to bend this out and then back in towards the bottom. Let's add a highlight oval along the top of the eye, coming down and then tucking that up underneath. Now just underneath the highlight, let's add another curve. And I'll fill the center of the eye in black. Now from the inside corner of the eyes, we're going to curve this down and then in toward the center of the beak, just in between the eyes. Now you're also going to rotate the head slightly so the fin on the left side of the head is going to sit on top. So start from this point. Then it's out and then up. Let's add a point. Curve this down. Add another point going up. Now we're going to curve this down around the eye. Now it's going to bend that in towards the tip of the beak. Let's go to the right side. From the tip, we're going to go around the eye. Now it's going to blend in towards the top of the head. So we're going to go up, round out the head, and just tuck that in behind the fin. Let's tuck the right fin in behind the head. So we're going to start right here, bend this around, then in. Let's add a point. Bend this up and in, and then just tuck that in behind the head. Let's add that detail in the center of the head. So we're going to start with a point right in the middle. We want to curve this around the top like a circle, going out, rounding up the top center, and then we want to pull that down towards the point in the middle. Let's draw on the neck. Starting underneath the head on the left side, comes down and then in, across. Let's go underneath the chin. We're going to taper the neck so it gets wider as you come down. Now the body, we're going to draw a large oval. So on the left side of the neck, step up, go all the way around towards the bottom, curve this up towards the top. Now we're just going to tuck this in behind the right side of the neck. From the base of the neck, we're going to extend the wings going up in an angle. So let's start on the left. We're going to give this a slight bend, coming down and then out. Let's go over towards the right side of the neck, bend this out and then up in an angle towards the top. Let's add a point, coming down and then in to right about there. Now there's 2 points along the bottom of the wing. So let's start on the left. Angle this down, go back up towards the top. Let's add another one, coming down, then up. Now I want to continue this curve coming in towards the side of the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. I'm going to add that large point, then add another one. And then again, we'll continue this curve, coming down and then in. Along the bottom of the body, we're going to add a point that goes up towards the center. So let's start down here. We're going to give this a slight curve, going up, in towards the middle, come down, and then out towards the right. Let's add that triangle symbol in the center. So just going to round up the top, follow that curve, coming down towards the side. Let's round up the corners, round up the bottom, and then curve the corner. Let's trace this shape along the inside. Now the legs get tucked into an oval along the side of the body. So let's start up here. We're going to draw an oval, coming down, and then back up towards the top. Now the oval on the left side is going to be tucked into the side of the body. So we go around, and then bend that back out. Let's add those points across the bottom. Leaving a gap in the center, start with the left. Angle is down and out on both sides. Go up. Now I'm going to add 2 more points on either side. Coming down and up. Add one more, going up towards the side of the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Latios from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.